G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a door stopper in few simple steps by using simple tools such as the Phillips screwdriver. You don't need to use any drill machine or any fancy equipment. It's all very easy to do. So as you can see, this door stopper has been broken and I have to replace it. What I'll be doing, I've taken this off from this side. I'll unscrew the bracket, the holder. So this is off. So I will take the new door stopper out of the packaging. I know it's a bit different from the old one, but it will work. And I will try to align the holes of the new door stopper with the old one so that I don't have to make new holes. This is what it comes with. Got two screws. Need to take this off so we can screw this in. So the holes are actually not aligning, so that's not a problem at all. I want the door stopper to be here in the same location where the old one was. So using the new screws, I don't need that. If you really need it, you need to drill a hole in it and put this one in, and then screw the plate. But I'll go without it. So all you need to do is put this Phillips screwdriver and push it in right up. It's going in. As you can see, the screw is going in with the help of a simple Phillips screwdriver. Right. Keep going in. I won't fully tighten it because I need the other screw to go in as well. So I'll hold it like this. Push it in a little bit and turn it. Keep turning. Oops. Just need to find its groove. Once it's in a little bit, it'll go all the way like the other one did. And it's going in pretty easily. Okay, so I made a mistake. I put the plate in without putting that screw bolt in first, so I've taken it off. And I'm going to put this one in, and then I will screw in the existing holes, the ones we have just made. So let's do it again. So put this one in like this. Take these screws again. Already made the two holes. Should go in easily now. Ideally, I should have done it in one go, but obviously you make mistake when you're doing it for the first time. second one. Tighten both the screws. Right up. Let's see if it works now. Screw this in. Voila. So there you go, guys. In simple steps, with the help of one Phillips screwdriver, I've got the new door stopper in. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.